Hey, this is Keith at Down Redwood Groves, and today we're going to clean up a few tree issues I got going on the property. We had Storm Zeta come through here, took out a bunch of pines, and what I got today is 3 pines. Take a look. So what I got here is I got 2 leaners that are leaning on this other pine, and we're going to have to cut those down. I'm not sure what to do with them. They're really not big enough to put them on the sawmill, and so pine just usually ends up sitting on the ground and rotting. But I do have a good size one there. So what I'm going to do is take the stress off that tree today, get these 2 down, debranch that, and I'm going to see if I can pull that up towards the shooting range. I don't know if you can see the shooting range over in there, but I'm going to try pulling that log up, and that's big enough for some saw logs out of it. So I can make some 2x4s and everything else out of that at least. And, well, let's get these things down and see what we get. Thanks. Okay, let's see if we can get these trees down. Okay, so we got the one to fall out. This one's down. It's 10 inches at the butt, so I marked it out for 8 foot. Theoretically, I could get 4 2x4s out of it. It's barely worth it, but I got some projects coming up here, so we'll cut it. But we see she's still in that tree. Hopefully I can get it to rotate some more and just fall out like that one, and then I can delimb both these trees. Let's see how it works for me.
I hate when that happens. It's supposed to come down.
Well, it's out of the pine, but it's still not a winner. No chicken dinner. All right. I don't like it when it's like this, but I'll try to cut one more section out. I am not going to go 8 foot on it. It really doesn't matter anymore on this. I'm more worried about safety. Hopefully it's going to fall, but I think it's going to fall right in between those two. It's hard to say which way it's going to roll. But we're going to cut it right about there and see if I can get this thing to drop. wasn't how I planned it, but we got her down. Hopefully you noticed that you always cut, and I shouldn't teach you this because I'm definitely no expert in this, but you cut on the top what's going to be in stress first, and then an undercut to relieve it. I keep allowing the log to drop down until it drops down enough where hopefully it rolls out of a tree. And I wanted to try to save that hardwood, so we got it out. I don't really care about the pine. Like I said, this is too small of a pine, but we got it down. So I'll debranch it, delimb it, or however you want to word it. Right there's the path, so I can bring the chipper and I can cut all these branches up if I want, chip them all up, and now let's go see if we can get that big log there. I'm gonna turn the camera off and delimb these. You don't need to watch me do that, that's no fun. And then let's see what we can get on that big boy. Alright folks, that's pretty much it. All the branches have been cut off and chopped all up. So there's the two trees. There's the tree that it was leaning on. Here's the big boy that's down, and it's been all debranched. I cut off the stump. The next task will be to try to chain this thing up and take it out that way. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. I didn't show the wood chipping. There's a couple videos already out there of that. If you guys want some more of me just actually seeing how great this thing works, let me tell you how great this thing works. But you know, it was about 2 hours to cut all those branches, bring all the branches up here, and to chop it all up. 2 hours, that's it. And it wasn't that hard. So anyhow, if you guys like, give me a thumbs up. Please pass this on to your friends, and if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one.